All right, this is our last quick video for today's lesson. When we are solving proportions, we're going to set up some proportions in order to solve for some missing parts of some shapes. And so you make two ratios, make them equal to each other. That gives you a proportion. One of them is going to be missing one part of it, so we'll put a variable there, like x or y or z. And then you start solving these kind of like one of the ways that we check to see if they were equal. You cross multiply. So 15 times 3 gives you 45. And then 5 times x gives you 5x. And then we just solve this equation. So we divide both sides by 5. So x equals 9. And if we substituted the 9 in where the x was, you would get a ratio, or I'm sorry, a proportion that makes those two ratios equal. And that's it. Now you got a couple more problems to try on solving proportions. They will not all work out to be whole numbers. Some of them are going to be decimal answers.